So here's another driveway that was done by a paving contractor last fall. So this thing's just a few months old, and we're out here today replacing it. Looks horrible, not holding up. See how it's chipping up on the edges. They didn't dig anything out here. They just came in and just lapped over the edge of the road. And here they misjudged the amount of material they needed. You see this big seam right here. So they paid this initially, didn't have the right equipment, didn't have the right crew, didn't know, or maybe just didn't care what they were doing, but they left this homeowner with a mess on this driveway. And then here you see how the texture looks completely different. That's because they ran out of material here, probably tried to stretch it out as far as they could and realized that they couldn't quite get to the road with it. So they come back with another ton, probably ton and a half, and added this end in, which just looks horrible. But yeah, this is what you get when you deal with the people who are not licensed. Should always insist on somebody having a Class A license. There's just no excuse whatsoever if you're in the paving business and not have a Class A license. And this is what you get. I'll take a video when we're done of what you'll get if you hire us, and I think you'll see the difference.